I now call upon Dr. Kumar N.K. Kumar. He is another QED finalist, and he is one of the most well-read family physicians I have ever come across. And Kumar, this is your mic.
Thank you.
Kumar's chosen topic is rheumatology, so we'll start with rheumatology. I'll announce here before I ask Kumar questions is that in April next year, we will have a Medic Maestro quiz for allopathic physicians, MBBS students and MBBS doctors, probably somewhere in Nanavati Hospital or IMA Hall, whichever we can get. And all those who wish to register for Medic Maestro, the registration is free, can even do so today. We will also be advertising it through our PI channel on WhatsApp and on the website. So feel free, this is a very interesting format and it motivates you to read in a different manner. Shall we start his timer, please, Suraj? So there is a 5-second countdown which has begun. Kumar, on rheumatology, what is the name given to rheumatoid arthritis which is episodic with symptom-free intervals?
Palindromic rheumatism.
Is correct. What is the obstetric presentation of a woman with antiphospholipid antibody syndrome?
Recurrent miscarriage.
Is correct. Morning stiffness lasts longer in which disease? Rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis?
Rheumatoid.
Is correct. What is more common in Sjogren's syndrome? Dry mouth or dry eyes?
Dry eyes.
Is incorrect. Which one of these is more likely to precipitate an attack of gout? Beer, wine or spinach soup?
Beer.
Is correct. Sausage fingers or dactylitis is more frequent in which one of the two? Ankylosing spondylitis or psoriatic arthritis?
Psoriatic arthritis.
Is correct. Sacroiliitis causing buttock pain is a sine qua non of which rheumatologic disease?
Ankylosing spondylitis.
Is correct. What is the name given to reactive arthritis that accompanies active tuberculosis?
Ponson's disease.
Is correct. In CREST syndrome associated with limited scleroderma, what does E stand for?
Esophageal dysmotility.
Is correct. Epistaxis, hemoptysis and hematuria can all three occur in which one rheumatological condition?
Come again, please.
Epistaxis, hemoptysis and hematuria can all three occur in which one rheumatological disease?
Goodpasture syndrome.
Is incorrect. Which disease is rarely affected in Raynaud's phenomenon? Which digit is rarely affected in Raynaud phenomenon?
Sorry.
Which digit is rarely affected in Raynaud phenomenon?
Little finger. Thumb, sorry.
I'll take little finger as the answer. If Charcot joint is incorrect, the thumb is the correct answer. If Charcot joint due to diabetes occurs most frequently in the foot or ankle, which joint is affected most frequently in Charcot arthropathy in syringomyelia?
Pass.
Which disease name literally means that which bends up in an African language? That which bends up.
Pass.
A patient of Behçet's syndrome may report development of pustules at the site of blood collection. What is this phenomenon called?
Pathergy test.
Pathergy phenomenon is correct. A person with acute hepatitis B a few months back presents now with fever and foot drop. What complication do you think he has?
30 seconds.
PAN. Polyarthritis cirrhosis.
Is correct. That ends your 15 questions. I'll go on to the past question. Which disease literally means that which bends up in an African language?
No.
And a person with acute, you had one more pass? A Charcot joint in syringomyelia affects which joint most?
Wrist.
Is incorrect. It's shoulder joint, and that which bends up is chikungunya. Lights please. Dr. Kumar, you had 10 out of 15 correct answers. We now go on to the second, which is a mix. I call it the Medi-Mix round. because इसमें धुलाई हो सकती है. Okay, we'll have the lights off, please. Kumar, your time will start soon. What is the term for feeling of a lump in the throat in the absence of a lump?
Globus pharyngeus.
Is correct. If a known case of lung cancer presents with unilateral ptosis and reduced sweating in the same site, what do you think of?
Horner syndrome.
Correct. Which vitamin deficiency causes burning feet syndrome?
B6.
Is incorrect. What B5, pantothenic acid, is correct. What is the more common thing in hypothyroidism, menorrhagia or oligomenorrhea?
Menorrhagia.
Is correct. Abdominal migraine is commoner in adults or children?
Children.
Is correct. Rum fits are seizures related to alcohol. Are they due to intoxication or withdrawal?
Withdrawal.
Is correct. A tall, thin 20-year-old presents with sudden unilateral pleuritic pain.
Pneumothorax.
You have to elaborate that. Without precipitants or other symptoms. What is the diagnosis?
Please repeat the question.
A tall, thin 20-year-old presents with sudden unilateral pleuritic pain without precipitants or other symptoms. Diagnosis.
Spontaneous pneumothorax.
I'll give it to you. It's primary spontaneous pneumothorax. A combination of two seemingly disparate symptoms, lower abdominal pain and syncope, in a 24-year-old female should raise suspicion of which emergency?
Ruptured ectopic.
Is correct. Which syndrome presents with lower limb claudication and erectile dysfunction?
Leriche syndrome.
Is correct. Traveler's diarrhea is a significant risk factor for which later development of a chronic disorder?
Please repeat that.
Traveler's diarrhea is a significant risk factor for later development of which chronic disorder?
Irritable bowel syndrome.
Is correct. What symptom is the commonest symptom caused as a complication of ICU stay?
Sorry.
What symptom is the commonest symptom caused as a complication of ICU stay? What symptom
Is the commonest complication?
of ICU stay?
Delirium.
Fever. Which inflammatory condition causes referred pain about 4 inches down the outer arm at the insertion of the deltoid muscle? Which inflammatory condition causes referred pain 4 inches down the outer arm at the insertion of deltoid?
Bicipital tendinitis.
Subacromial bursitis. What deficiency presents with dyspnea and edema if the patient is physically very active, or with numbness and paresthesias if the patient is inactive?
No. Pass.
The solitary symptom of recurrent visible hematuria in both father and son, especially after rigorous exercise, should make you suspect what?
IgA nephropathy.
I'll give it to you. IgA nephropathy. Acute enlargement of left testes and left scrotal edema may be the presenting symptom of occlusion of a remote vein. Which vein?
Left testicular vein.
Incorrect. Left renal vein. You don't have a past question, do you? Yeah, of course I can't give it to you, but I'll just give you the answer. The deficiency which presents with dyspnea and edema if the patient is physically very active, or numbness and paresthesia if the patient is inactive, is deficiency of thiamine causing wet beriberi or dry beriberi. And yeah, I think all the other answers I have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 10 out of 15. I must say here, Dr. Kumar has been extremely active in preparation for QED. He is forever, of SOS. He is forever messaging me, what next can I do for you? And he has spent hours and hours at the expense of his probably wife's time and giving us a lot of information that we have very usefully used. Thank you, Dr. Kumar. You already have a few of these, but do come if you can. Thank you so much.